what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over a adjustable stool, maybe kind of like a barber stool. Check these out. It has a little foot ramp right there, an adjustable thing right here. And what I'm gonna do for y'all is I'm just gonna kind of like take it out of the box, do a quick assembly here and show you all you get. I think there's 2 in here. Yep, there's 2, 1, 2 right there. Let me go ahead and lay it all out, and then I'll come back and show you what you get in this box, because this is how it came packed for me. Okay, so I just took it all out of the package, and this is how you get it right here. So it looks like it has a couple of bases right here, and you get a little set of hardware with 3 6 bolts. So you got 6 bolts and a wrench, 6 bolts and a wrench, and a pair of white gloves. You get the white glove treatment with this, and some instructions. So let me read over the instructions, put one together, and I'll come back and tell you guys how hard it was or how easy it was to assemble one of these chairs. So let's get to it now. Okay, so what it looks like is you put the 2 screws. Here's the 2 types of screws right here. You get a long one and a short one, and it looks like they've mixed the hardware in with both of them, because you get 2 screws in the back here and 2 screws in the back there, and then you got a screw left over. So very handy that they did that, because there's only 4 screws in this thing. And then to put the base in there, what you're going to do is take that cap off, and then basically you just line this up just like that. And to adjust it, it adjusts just like that. And then to set on it, if you want it to go down, mash down on it like that. Is that not cool? Look how nice these chairs are. Spins around like this. And put your feet up. This would be great for working on things, putting your legs up like that. If you want to go higher with it, just lift up. I'm very impressed with these, everybody. This is like one of the better kind of stools that I've had. Check out how it just rotates around nicely. Has a little back on it, so it's got a comfortable back for seating right there. This was one of the easiest assemblies that I've done on these things, because some chairs take a lot to kind of put them together. There were seriously 4 screws. You can see I haven't put this one together because here's the extra screws right here, but it should go no less than, 5 minutes to put these things together. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, spinning adjustable stools. See you on the next video.